Hey everyone, it's Jerry. Welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well. Much better. So, if you don't know, I recently moved into my own apartment, a 1-bedroom, 720 square feet, living in the greater Phoenix area. In the past 2.5 months that I've been here, I really spent most of my time and energy on fleshing out my living room, as this is actually where I spend most of my time. This is where I work from home, game, relax. Sometimes I take a nap on the couch, and it's also the first thing guests see when they walk in. So if you can see behind me, I got the TV area set up, the coffee table and couch area, and way in the corner is my desk setup where I work from home, game, and script and edit all these YouTube videos. But today's video, I'll be finally building the final piece of my living room, which is that box over there. I've had this empty area next to my plant and TV for the past few months, and I've actually been saving it for a display shelf. This past Christmas, my parents were actually awesome enough to take me furniture shopping as a gift. So we went out and I got some lamps, plants, as you can see behind me. They also ordered me this nice display shelf that we're gonna build today. So let's get to it. All right, one more thing. I'll actually be doing a full detailed living room tour once I get this all done. So if you're interested, subscribe to stay tuned to that video and future videos that I post. All right, let's get started. I actually didn't go as smoothly as you just saw. I actually made a very minor mistake where I had to take apart one of these sections because I had it backwards. I'm super happy with the way it looks. I specifically chose this shelf in particular because it's tall. It's actually taller than me, and there's 5 tiers where I can store a bunch of stuff. And one thing I like about this shelf is just an extra extension from the rack itself, so you can display more items. So I like the way that it looks. So what exactly will I be displaying on this shelf, you might ask? Well, I actually have a bunch of Lego sets that I have in boxes that's been just sitting there since I moved. I've been waiting to take a bunch of those Lego sets out. But yeah, I'm gonna take a break and come back. I will show you guys some of the sets that I have. They're pretty cool. I'm gonna geek out, not gonna lie, and I'll display them on the shelf. All right, I'm back. So this is a storage box where I put all my Lego sets. You can see I labeled each and every Lego set, and you'll see I have a bunch in here, some big sets and smaller sets. But yeah, I actually took my time in packing these up, making sure they don't get damaged. I even had to take some apart. I got them wrapped up in plastic wrap. So let's get started unpacking these so I can finally display them on my new shelf. finally, the last one. I got the newest Millennium Falcon playset. Oh man. Alright, so we finally have some LEGO sets displayed on the shelf, which I'm really happy about. Yeah, I think it came out really well. It fits really nicely with the rest of my room. Yeah, but I'm not like a die-hard LEGO collector. I actually am pretty picky with my LEGO sets. I usually stick with sci-fi, play-scale spaceships. So most of them, as you can see, are Star Wars, but I plan on getting a few Marvel ships, like the Guardians of the Galaxy ship. I stay away from the Ultimate Collector Series sets though, because those are too big to display. I don't have enough room, and those are like a couple $100, so I don't want to be dropping money on that. Again, thanks for watching this video and bearing with me again for kind of geeking out over Legos. It's a nice hobby. I'll see you guys in the next one.